The Spanish phrase for today's video is pass the gravy. Pasa la salsa. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Salsa, for most of you, means like that spicy stuff that some Spanish-speaking people use. And yes, it is that. The thing is, gravy doesn't necessarily have a direct translation in Spanish. So salsa would be very common, along with a lot of Mexican people also just saying the word gravy, just with a little bit more of a Spanish accent. So theoretically, you could either say pasa la salsa or pasa el gravy. Both work fine, both send out the same message, so feel free to use either one. This is a three-word phrase. Pasa la salsa, meaning pass the gravy. Again, the phrase is pasa la salsa, pass the gravy. If you learned anything today, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adiós.